Okay, so now we know how to navigate the camera. There we go. Next thing we need to know is how to move the objects we have created. So if you hit W, you have the move tool, and you can select the move tool here. As you can see, it's highlighted, and just grab the move tool and you can move the sphere around. There we go. Boom. There we go, just move it around. Now if you want to place it back in the center, you can do Control Z, and Control Z basically just allows you to undo whatever you have previously done. So Control Z, Control Z again, boom, we're back in the center. And you can see we're in the center as well, because if you take a look at the channel box, you've got P sphere 1, which is this object here. And if you take a look at the translate, and translate means move, we're on 0. And so let's move it again. So hit W. Can you see the numbers here? And if you want to, you can click, drag down, so all three translate axes are selected, and then hit 0. Boom, we're back at the point of origin. Okay, so that's W for move. E is rotate. And there you go, we are rotating it. There we go, you can just rotate it at any angle. And again, as you can see, the numbers here are moving when we rotate the sphere. And again, if you want this back to its original position, click, drag the rotate fields and just type in 0. Boom. And so you can see the rotate tool is highlighted here, and then R, scale, you can see it's highlighted here, and again you can scale it. Now I'm scaling it from the center here, the cube in the center, which scales all three axes at the same time, as you can see here. And again, click, drag, 0, boom, and you don't see nothing because the scale by default isn't 0, and unlike the translate and the rotate, it's 1. And so you can actually see it. Obviously, if you type in something like 0.5, it's smaller, but the default is 1. And so there's the scale, but again, I'm scaling it from the center. And so we've got these three different axes. And so if you want to scale from this green axis here, which means the Y axis, you can see I've made it like oblong. And you can see in the scale here, let's put everything back to 1. And I'm just going to scale in this axis. And there you can see the scale Y, only the scale Y is moving, you see. And so let's put it back to 1. And then obviously, you've got the scale X here, as you can see there, the scale X, again, put it back to 1, and scale Z. There you go. And you can just do whatever you want. Boom, 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 boom. There we've got negative because we've gone the other way, and stuff like that. And so there you go. And again, just hit 1, and it's back to being a sphere. So basically, these are your selection tools here. So you got move, rotate, scale, and W is move, E is rotate, R is scale. And if you take a look at your keyboard, the three letters are together: W-E-R, move, rotate, and scale. So there you go. You now know how to move your objects.